So a few days ago, I visited this store called Mr. DIY. I wasn't planning on buying a lot of things, but turns out the store was really cheap and it had amazing stuff. So how could I just stop myself, right? So I did shop a lot, and by a lot I mean this much. Also, if you guys want to know more about the store, you can just check out the vlog in the description. I have covered most of the things over there, so check it out. And yeah, now without further ado, let's get started with this video. So we're gonna start off first with hair accessories. So the first thing that I got is this scrunchie. It is cheetah print, and yeah, it's really huge and nice. Like, you can even wear it in your hand. Scrunchies are really in, by the way. I got this one for 45 rupees. The only reason why I love scrunchies is they look cool when it's on your hand. I also got plain black dozen of hair ties, basic ones, for 43 rupees from there, and you can never have enough of this. Like, I keep losing it every now and then. So like, yeah, I got that. Next hair tie that I got are these telephone bands, wired telephone bands, and they are kind of transparent. There were a lot of different colors available, but I got it in like this basic colors that I can use. Also, I really love the pink one. So cute, right? I got this one for 61 rupees for 4 pieces, and I think it's decent for the price. Also, these are super long lasting. I just hope I don't lose them. They also had a lot of different types of headbands. So I got this one. This is in red. I think this will go on with a lot of different things. So I got this, and I got this for 51 rupees only. Like, look cute in budget, and such hairbands are comfortable to wear, more comfortable than the elastic ones. Moving on, the next hairband that I got is this one. It's a really cute cat ears headband. Okay, wait, let me just remove the tag. I saw it and I obviously couldn't stop myself from purchasing it. This one was for 69 rupees and I absolutely love it. It's light and weight. I just feel like this will be a perfect thing to wear while doing my makeup or something when I feel fancy. Another scrunchie that I got is this one. It's like pastel pink and very basic but cute at the same time. And I got this one for 33 rupees. Moving over to the last hair accessory that I got are these clips. These are amazing when you are like doing your makeup or something, and even while you are like straightening your hair or curling your hair, you can just like use it to like tie your hair up. So very basic black clips. I got 10 clips for 51 rupees. It's good, right? And they also had amazing socks, and yeah, I'm a socks person. Like, I love wearing socks and collecting socks, but sadly I keep losing them like bobby pins. It's not a joke, but seriously, this needs to change. Anyway, so the first pair of socks that I got are these fuzzy ones. I always wanted to get one of these, but I couldn't find it anywhere. Got this one for 45 rupees only. It's like baby pink, which has like dark pink hearts all over it. And it's really soft, like teddy soft. Can't wait to wear this. Next pair of socks that I got are these invisible socks. I mean white socks, but like invisible if you wear it with sneakers. And it has like this baby pink stripes. That's it. And I got this one for 47 rupees. Next pair of socks that I got are these cow ones. So cute. Okay. Anyway, got this one for 53 rupees. And very similar to that, I also got this watermelon print for 55 rupees. And then I got this cactus print for 55 rupees again. And lastly, I got this dog print socks for 59 rupees. And I think these are also the one of those invisible ones. And it has ears. Like, how cute is that? Moving over to the stationery now. I do have a lot of stationery and I don't use a lot of them. So I just got like 4 things, but amazingly cute stationery. You should visit if you are a stationery lover. They had real cute pens, but I just got 2 of them. Both are in pink. First one is a baby pink and it has a crown on the top. And of course fur. I really love the color and that's the only reason I got it. Second pen that I got is in dark pink and it has this googly eyes. I'm not really a fan of it, so I may remove it if I can without damaging the pen. And it has fur again, and it's just like real dark thing. Got this one for 29 rupees and this one for 51 rupees. Moving on, I got a notebook and it's completely me in a notebook form, I feel. It has doodles all over it and it's just really cute with a golden elastic. Insides are just plain basic lined. Got this one for 200 rupees and I just cannot wait to use this. Next notebook that I got is like very Pinterest type. It says be wild and free and it has like this gold foil print all over it, and inside it's like lined notebook. They also had amazing planners. Sadly, I already have a planner so I didn't get it. Got this one for 121 rupees. Moving on, the next thing that I got is this. It's a 3-in-1 cable for charging your phone. So it has the iPhone cable, the Type-C charger and the normal Android car charger. Got this one for 280 rupees. Next thing I got is this really random object. It's a box, pink glittery box made of cardboard, and it's just basic round box. I just think I'll put like my everyday makeup in this and keep it somewhere so it looks cute. At the same time, it will just help me be organized. So yeah, got that for 250 rupees. Next thing I got are some photo frames. So yeah, home decor thing again. So the first one that I got has this feathers printed all over it, like watercolor feathers. And then I got a summer one. And then last I got this flower one. I got one for 170 rupees and I think for the price it's worth it. Also, I can change the print which I'm planning to and just hang it above my bed. Next thing I got is this loofah. Just a random thing, but it's in my favorite color and I think it will be helpful for me when I take showers. So yeah, got that for 71 rupees and the plastic is really sturdy and nice. And last but not the least, I got this pillow for my editing chair. It's a bum pillow, but I think I'll put it on the back side. It has a really cute tropical print. I love it. And I got this one for 220 rupees. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I hope you guys had fun watching this haul and I'm planning to visit there again and get more stuff. So give this video a big fat thumbs up if you guys would like to see more hauls from Mr. DIY. And also comment down below and let me know your favorite from this entire haul. I like everything. I can't pick one thing. So comment down below and let me know. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!